agreed to watch this video, you are agreed to relieve United Taps and its staff of any liability for injuries or damages caused by watching or attempting any of the movements presented in this video. If you do not agree to this, please discontinue watching this video now. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Rob from UnitedTaps.com. Today you're going to learn an advanced beginner combination designed to go to the song Kind and Generous by Natalie Merchant. A link to the song below, as well as links to all kinds of great content at UnitedTaps.com. We got lessons, choreography, dictionary, just a ton of stuff, and links down below. All right, let's jump in, shall we? Starting with the right foot, you're going to do dig, dig, lap, ball change, stamp, stamp. And I'm going to tell you right away, there is no pause, and I mean no pause between the dig, dig, and the flap. That's probably going to be the trickiest part of this. So again, we have dig, dig, lap, ball change, stamp, stamp. Now it's not too bad at this speed. As we go faster, you might find that more challenging. Or not, and if not, fantastic, right? If it's easy, that's great. Left side does the same thing. Dig, dig, lap, ball change, stamp, stamp. Why, yes, we'll do that left side again. 6, 7, 8, dig, dig, lap, ball change, stamp, stamp. Let's connect it from the top with counts. 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 6, 7, 8. One more time. 6, beginning, go. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 6, 7, 8. From here, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change. Again, that was 6, 7, and shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change. Followed by 4 step heels. These are going to be on the fast side. Step heel, step heel, step heel, step heel. Followed by stamp, step, stamp, step, stamp. Right foot is flat, but the left heel is up that entire time. So again, that last part, stamp, step, stamp, step, stamp. Beautiful. Let's rewind to those 4 step heels. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step heel, step heel, step heel, step heel, stamp, step, stamp, step, stamp. I'm going to do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 8. That came right after shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, step heel, step heel, step heel, step heel, stamp, step, stamp, step, stamp. That's how that all connects. Let's go from the shuffle, ball change with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 4, 5 and 6 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 8. Why, of course, we'll do that again from the shuffle, ball change. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 4, 5 and 6 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 8. One more time. 5, 6, ready, go. Shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change. Step heel, step heel, step heel, step heel, stamp, step, stamp, step, stamp. Let's go back to top and connect this together. I'll slow it down a bit. 6, ready, go. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 4, 5 and 6 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 8. Let's roll out again, same speed, then I'll boost it. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 4, 5 and 6 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 8. Great. A little bit faster now. I'm going to push it just a little. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 4, 5 and 6 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 8. If all went well, and hopefully it did, if not, no worries, you can pause and practice. If all went well, we're going to go to our left foot next with Irish left foot, Irish right foot, shuffle, ball change. The Irishes are swing, the shuffle, ball change is straight, so keep that in mind. Again, 6, 7, and Irish left foot, Irish right foot, shuffle, ball change. Then repeat the Irishes, Irish left foot, Irish right foot, stamp, stamp, stamp. 7, and 7, and. It's kind of like what's called a triplet rhythm. Bum, bum, bum. Let's go from the first set of Irishes, which have the shuffle, ball change. And then that'll go into the second set of Irishes, which has the stamp, stamp, stamp. Both sets. Left foot's leading. Ready, go. Irish, left foot, Irish, right foot, shuffle, ball change. Irish, left foot, Irish, right foot, stamp, stamp, stamp. Let's do some counts. 6, 5, 6, 7, and 1 E, a 2, and a E, and a 5, E, 1 E. Now let me work on my counts. I'll get them straightened out, I promise. We'll try that again. Wow, that was bad. 6, I mean, the feet were fine, but the counts, whoa. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, 1 and 3, 4, and 6, 7, up, and. There we go. I'm settling it out. I still messed up the beginning of it. One more time. 6, 7, 8, 1 and 3, 4, and 6, and 7, and 8, 1 and 3, 4, and 6, 7, up, and. Cool. That's coming out of your 4 step heels and stamp, step, stamp, step, stamp. Let's try that. 6, 7, 8. Step heel, step heel, step heel, step heel, stamp, step, stamp, step, stamp. 1 and 3, 4 and 6, and 7, and 8. 1 and 3, 4 and 6, 7, up, and. Cool. Let's connect it. Top, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 4, 5 and 6 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 8. 1 and 3, 4 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 3, 4 and 6, 7, up, and. Right foot's free. 4 scuffle step heels or paddle and rolls or paradiddles or dig brush toe heels, whatever your name of choice is. 1, 2, 3, 4, followed by dig, dig, step, step, dig, dig, step, 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 toe. Again, that last part, dig, dig, step, step, dig, dig, step, 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 toe. Now let's go from those 4 scuffle step heels. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 3, 4 and 6, 7, 8, 1. Certainly I'll do that again. Same spot. 6, 5, 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 3, 4 and 6, 7, 8, 1. Let's rewind to the Irishes. Practice going from the Irishes, that section, into the scuffle step heels. Left foot leads for the Irishes. 7, 8, 1 and 3, 4 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 3, 4 and 6, 7, up, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 3, 4 and 6, 7, 8, 1. Of course we can do that again from those Irishes. No problem. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 3, 4 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 3, 4 and 6, 7, up, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 3, 4 and 6, 7, 8, 1. All right, my friends, we're going top all the way through. I'm gonna slow it down so we can get a handle on the whole thing. 6, ready, go. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 4, 5 and 6 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 8. 1 and 3, 4 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 3, 4 and 6, 7, up, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 3, 4 and 6, 7, 8, 1. Well, 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 yes indeed, we're going to do that again, same speed. 6, ready, go. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 4, 5 and 6 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 8. 1 and 3, 4 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 3, 4 and 6, 7, up, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 3, 4 and 6, 7, 8, 1. Yes! Super! Let's try it with music. Again, the song is Kind and Generous by Natalie Merchant. Link is below, as well as links to all our content, UnitedTaps.com. We have great advanced beginner lesson series. We do warm-up. I'll teach a step, give you some helpful hints, how to make it sound good, how to fix common problems. We'll actually practice the steps slow, right? I teach how real people learn. When you learn a step for the first time, It's not like you pick it up after seeing it once. It's like, no, I need to see it a couple times, then I need to do it really slow, many times, and gradually work our speed up. That's what we do in the lessons. We'll do that for several steps. Then we'll put those steps together in a combination so you can use the step, right? Reinforce it. Not only that, in the next lesson, you'll see that step show up in the warm-up. So we're doing it yet again. So we teach you stuff, and then we use it again and again and again to reinforce it. That's how real people learn. All right, so you can find that content at UnitedTaps.com. Links are below. Let's give this a shot with music. I'm going to drop the tempo to get started, maybe about 10%, give or take. Let's see what we think. And by the way, I'm starting the combination at 1 minute and 22 seconds into the song.
You know I'm bad.
Perfect. 5, 6, 7, 8. My timing got a little dicey on those first 2 Scuffle step heels. Yikes! We'll roll it again for me. All right, here we go. Same speed. Give it another shot.
You know I'm
5, 6, 7, 8. Let's bump it up about 4.5%, 5%. We're about 9.5 down. We'll go to 4.8% under tempo. And we'll run a couple times. We'll eventually get you to real speed. We'll get you there.
You know I'm bad.
Good luck, have fun. 5, 6, 7, 8. I certainly will try that again. Same speed, my friend. Same speed. Well, there we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. I can stop it. For my overachievers, we're going real speed. Don't worry if you're not this fast. That's if you're a normal human. This is just for my people who like get it and they're like, yeah, Rob, let's push it. All right, real speed.
You know
good luck. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, we can do that one more time at the full speed. Have some fun. 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to do it one more time facing the camera. You're not expected to do with me. This is just so you can see what it looks like from the front if all goes well. We'll give it a shot.
I'm bound to thank you for it.
right, thank you all so much for tapping with me. Hope you had a great time with that combination. At UnitedTaps.com, we have so much more content. We have that nice, huge advanced beginner lesson series. It's like 12 hours long. Link to that below. Like I said, I teach for real people, how real people learn. We've got choreography, all levels. We've got a tap dictionary, workouts, music, a little bit of everything. You can find it all at UnitedTaps.com, or specific product links are below. I hope you will hop on over and check it out. I, of course, am Rod Howell from UnitedTaps.com, making you happier and healthier through tap dance.